Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2020 Jaguar F-Pace SVR, and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the taillight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation for the taillights, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So all we need to do is apply slip solution to the taillight, and with the clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that the taillight may have. So to start with the installation, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film, and make sure to start aligning it on this section of the taillight first. So align it right on the edge. So once you have it aligned on the edge, lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film. Make sure to keep it aligned and then spray tack solution on top. Hold the film in position, grab your squeegee and start tacking it down. And make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. And once this is secured and tacked down, just work your way little by little until you reach to that end. So for this section here, just stretch just a little bit in order to have more coverage on the edge here. So just stretch it, hold it, and then tack it down with your squeegee. All we have to do is just make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film, tack down everything, and then seal everything with heat. So grab your tack solution, spray it onto the tint, and apply heat to seal the edges, and then we should be good and move on to the next one. So when it comes to installing this section of the taillight, same process. Apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film, and just make sure you align it to the edge like how we did it with this one. So make sure it's on the edge, and everything else should just fall into place. Just keep an eye and make sure everything is aligned. If you need to move it just a little bit, you can. So just adjust it accordingly to the taillight. So it should be good right there. Everything's good. And you can also start applying tack solution while you align it. That way once it's aligned, we can start tacking it down. So keep it aligned, hold the film, that way it doesn't move. And with your squeegee, you're going to start tagging it down slowly. Tack down everything, that way we secure the film and it doesn't move. So now it's secured. So now we could apply a little bit more pressure. So just apply tack solution once more, and this time apply more pressure on the squeegee, that way we're able to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. So the last thing to do once you finish with the entire installation for the taillight is to post-heat the entire tint. So just apply tack solution to the taillight. While we're doing that, we're going to be applying heat. So just make sure you apply heat evenly throughout the entire taillight. And we're going to use a microfiber towel and make sure we help tack down any film that's still lifting, and also help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. Take your time doing this process, and then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the taillight tints for the 2020 Jaguar F-Pace SVR. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.